Following a serious incident, the HSE or local authority will inevitably want to speak to employees of the organisation at some stage. This may be as a witness to the events or as a suspect. This video covers the former scenario. When an individual is to be interviewed by the regulator as a witness, consideration should be given as to whether they should be spoken to before the interview. Whilst obviously the interviewee cannot be told what to say in interview or how to answer any question, they can be advised how the interview is likely to be conducted. The interviewee will be able to have someone accompany them to the interview if they wish. Please note that the decision as to whether or not somebody should accompany them is purely that of the interviewee. The person accompanying them should not ordinarily be a solicitor working for or advising the organisation, or someone else who is likely to be a witness themselves. It could, for example, be a colleague, trade union representative, or someone from the HR team. You should remind the interviewee that if the HSE requests disclosure of any documentation, for example emails, risk assessments, method statements, the health and safety policy and procedures, then the inspector should be directed to a named individual within the organisation. The interviewee will be asked to sign a statement that the regulator has prepared on their behalf. It is critical that the interviewee knows they can and must make any changes to that statement if it does not fully and accurately reflect their evidence. A witness is not ordinarily entitled to receive a copy of their statement at the time they make it, in order to reduce the risk that other prospective witnesses may then be able to read that statement, which may influence or taint their own evidence.